Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include rear view camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, sync, MP3. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2022 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, hill descent control, electronic stability control, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer. Come see the car for yourself.